In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Odoo. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, log into your Odoo account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in and you can see your main Odoo dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon, which might show your initials or a small avatar. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option called My Preferences and click it. When you do, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window contains your personal settings in Odoo. Along the top of this pop-up, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Security. This is where you can manage things related to your account's safety, including your password. On the Security tab, you'll see a section called Change Password, and to the right of that, there's a button with the same name, Change Password. Go ahead and click that button. When you click it, another pop-up will appear. Sometimes Odoo will first ask you to confirm that it's really you trying to change the password. If you see this confirmation step, you'll be asked to enter your current password. Type your current password carefully into the field provided, then click the button to confirm. After you confirm, the pop-up will reload. Now, you'll see two new fields on the screen. The first one is labeled New Password. In this field, enter the new password you want to use for your Odoo account. Try to choose something that's strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible, and avoid easy guesses like your name or simple sequences. The second field is labeled New Password, Confirmation. In this field, type the exact same new password again. This step is important because it helps prevent mistakes due to typos. If the two entries don't match, Odoo will usually let you know, so make sure they're identical. Once you've entered your new password in both fields and checked that everything looks correct, click the Change Password button. Odoo will save your new password and apply the change to your account. From now on, whenever you log into Odoo, you'll need to use this new password. And that's all you need to do to change your password in Odoo.